Hello guys, andito na naman po tayo sa ating pang-12 session sa Toolbox Talks. So ang title po nito is the use of portable circular saw. Napaka-common po nito sa ating construction site. Okay guys, kahit anong job site meron nito. Gawa po ng mga carpentry works na ginagawa natin sa ating mga job site. Nakakatulong po nito. But anyhow, ito po ay hindi makakatulong kung ito po ay hindi nyo susundin. Let's start guys. Inspect the saw before using it. If the guard is damaged or does not spring back, the trigger is faulty or the blade loose, then return the saw to the store. Again, kagaya ng portable tools, ito po ay portable tools, kailangan po natin isoli sa store para ma-repair. Make sure that the cable, electrical connection are in good condition. When not in using the tools, unplug it. Make sure that the blade guard spring back and covers the blade fully. Okay guys? Never disable the blade guard by trying it with wire. Alam nyo na yung ginagawa ng paraan para hindi bumalik yung cover. Huwag natin po gagawin yun. Denail timber before cutting. Napaka-importante po nito. Pag tayo po nag-cut ng wood or ng 2x2 at hindi po natin tinanggal yung pako, baka po ito ay makabasag sa blade at tayo po ay masaktan. Make sure that the cable is clear of the blade when cutting. Do not wear loose clothing when using the saw, especially when malapit dun sa handle, kasi baka ito ay ma-catch up, mas malaking disgrasya. Wear goggles when cutting using the saw, o para yung mga debris hindi pumunta sa ating mata. Make sure the saw bench is at the good height and that is regularly cleared of sawdust and scrap of timbers. Always keep your finger clear from the spinning blade even after the trigger has been released. Okay po, para po hindi kayo masugat guys. Nakakita na po ako ng ganitong senaryo at hindi nyo gugustuhin yung mga workers nyo alam nyo na masaktan o masugatan. Maraming salamat guys. So, make sure you follow all those requirements of how to use portable circular saw. Maraming salamat. If you like the videos, please like, follow, and comment, and share these videos and follow my Facebook account. Thank you very much guys and see you later.